Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, basically what it is a gaming mouse pad or just a mouse pad in general that you can use not only for your mouse, but you can use it for your keyboard or whatever as well. So let's open it up and see what the product looks like first. So when you guys first open it up, this is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so it looks pretty amazing. As you can see, kind of like a galaxy, kind of like space design. So it looks like they provide us a cable, which is a USB to micro USB cable, and that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. So this is basically what it looks like right here. You can see it looks pretty amazing with the galaxy kind of design to it. They do have other designs for this brand as well if you guys don't like this design, but I think this one is pretty awesome. But if you take a look right here, they also have a slot for you guys to plug in your micro USB cable to charge it up and activate the RGB light all around the product itself right here. The material that they use on top feels really nice. I believe it's some kind of microfiber, micro texture kind of cloth that they use, which is pretty awesome. And it's also supposed to be water resistant, not waterproof. And if you take a look on the other side of the pad or mat itself, you guys can see that it has a very nice kind of rubbery kind of material that will help prevent the product from like moving around when you guys actually use it. And if you guys look really carefully right here, they actually have a button for you guys to press. So you guys have the option to change like the different color options or like the different modes on here. And then obviously you guys can also control the brightness of the light itself on here as well using this button. But that's basically what the overall product looks like right here. As you can see, it looks amazing, feels amazing. But let's go try this out now and see how well it works and how to use all the buttons on here. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got a mouse pad or our little pad right here or mat all set up. So what you guys want to do is press the button one time to activate it. So this is basically what it looks like, you can see. So you can change the color by pressing the button one time just like this. And you change a different color each time you guys click on it. So I believe there's like 7 to 9 different modes on here in terms of color. And eventually if you guys keep clicking it, it comes to this pattern right here that you can see. It's hard for me to show you guys right now because it's still bright out, but it's changing the colors if you guys look really carefully. If I click again, it changed to another pattern. So that's the second pattern. So I believe there's a total of 2 different modes on here if you guys don't count like the different color options. But that's basically how it looks like on this one. If you guys want to increase or lower the brightness of the actual light itself, you guys just want to double tap it right here. 1, 2. And as you can see, it's much brighter now. If I click it 2 times, it lowers the brightness. So there's just either a high setting or low setting on here. There's no medium or anything else. And the light is actually really bright when you guys use it at night in the darkness. And then if you guys want to turn this off, all you guys need to do is hold this down like this. And it turns off. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that everything works really well. Super easy to use, all the different button controls to turn off and on the brightness, turn off and on the product, changing all the different modes on the actual product itself in terms like the different patterns of the color, the different color options as well. So if you guys want just like blue, if you guys just want red, you guys can do all of that on here as well. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for like a really nice mat or pad for your actual like keyboard, your stands, for your mouse and everything. Then this is definitely really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today, G Squad fan shout out day we have.